Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are doing our first vlog. We are doing a road trip and we are going to Norfolk, Virginia.
Hey, so the plan is, one, get piercings. She wants to get some piercings on her ear. I think I might be adventurous and maybe get one. I don't know. And then we also were thinking about matching tattoos. So we're going to check those out.
Finally, like after 15 years of being best friends.
I know.
So I guess we'll wait and see.
Holla. I'm so cold. Hey, go now. And we out. And we out, bitch.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Welcome center. We had to pee. I thought Simone said she peed on herself, but she said I have to pee myself. It's like, what? Yeah. I gotta go take a picture over there by the love sign.
Oh. It's
Barley! It's like, look, I look bald right here, don't I?
Are you walking to the left side?
Yeah.
I left my jacket in the car.
From negative energy. Voices in my head, they say it's meant for me. You in my way, bitch, there's no sympathy. Been plotting this since elementary.
Okay guys, so we're pulling up and I'm a little scared, okay? A little bit scared, a little bit. I've had 38 piercings, but every time, it doesn't matter how many piercings I've gotten, every time it's nerve-wracking. So we're pulling up.
Oh my gosh.
And apparently
Norfolk streets are ghetto as hell. No plows.
it snowed like when, last week?
Oh, this is Virginia Beach. Where's the place at? Is it?
Over there.
Oh.
Yeah, tell them.
Oh.
It looks like it snowed today. This joint is cute, y'all. So let me stop playing around, cause this is cute. What did you get?
Can you even see? Oh, I just got, it's called the Ford Helix. And of course I got pink jewelry.
This is cute, shorty.
So, now that it's late, I don't know. Are you hungry? No? Are we just gonna go back or what?
We can do something else.
Like what?